So here we're simply asked, what is the general form of a linear function? And so we're going to be looking at kind of what the most broad way of representing a linear function is, and this is mostly just useful to help kind of identify when it's linear, when it's quadratic, or when it's a different type of function altogether. And so I'm just going to write it down here and explain sort of where it comes from. So the general form of a linear function is going to be f of x is equal to ax plus b, and basically the reason for this is because our highest term here, as you can see, is just going to be a constant times x, so x to the power of 1 is the way to write this. And so a constant times x plus a constant is going to be the general form of a linear function, and we know that a and b can both be, you know, any positive or negative numbers, so that's not kind of something we're too worried about. But just a quick note on sort of where else we might see this is in coordinate geometry, where we have y is equal to mx plus c. And so in the case of coordinate geometry, we know that we can basically rearrange it this way to find the slope m and the y-intercept c just by looking at the equation of the line. And so linear function is the same thing as an equation of a line, just as kind of a side note on this, but that is going to be the general form of a linear function, and so that's going to be it for this question.